Hi, welcome to the market alert for Wednesday the 8th of February 2017. So just a small issue here. This buy signal here is on the wrong bar. It was actually on the bar before it, as I said in my email I sent out, 1440. For some unknown reason it's loaded on the 1445, but if you refer back to the email it says 1440. And again, this happens sometimes because the market corrects prices and then it alters where the signals would appear retrospectively, but at the time it was definitely on this bar because I know the risk was 44 points, and that's why I said in the note if you could get to break even or get out just with a small profit because the market was struggling, having put in the new all-time high, that would be worth doing. So definitely the wrong bar with this signal, and unfortunately first time for a very long time I forgot to hit the record button to record it, so Murphy's Law stepping in there as well. So fortunately I did say in the email 1440 was the bar for the signal, but you can see the market struggling here at the 20,150 level. It's like a triple top. The market goes through, closes back, hits it, and then it just gets through to break even here. And then you see the market reverse with a sell signal, and the market then going down to the scalp. It does continue to move lower throughout the remainder of the session, but I wasn't here as it's Tuesday and never around on a Tuesday evening, as you know. But what's interesting is how the market's actually come back to the 76% retracement again. It's like a magnet. You can see now how it's actually bounced off this. In the daily chart you can see exactly the same thing. The market came back below it, but now we're back above it, and we're going to try and move back to the upside as well. If you wanted to put a 76% retracement to the upside on this, very difficult at the moment because there's nothing that's actually, we've got a new high but nothing to measure it off. The only way to do this is just to use the single bar, and if we come up to the top and click twice, you can see that we've got that 76% retracement and 62 in there. Now let me just remove this and then bring it down a bit so you can see it a bit more. So we've got the support here at this 76, and if the market continues to move higher it's going to find problems with these two lines here, these two fib retracements at 62 and 76. But at the moment that's 76 holding. If the market closes below this, then we're going to see the market move lower. News wise, crude oil inventories at 3:30. It's Wednesday, so we've got this one out. Forecast 2.7 million barrels, previous 6.5, which is bearish for crude oil. The minus ones are the bullish ones in crude oil, but again at the moment they just want to keep this market on the highs. And on the implied volatility front, well actually before we go there, let's just have a look, see what's happening with the real volume. Interesting picture here. We've got 2 consecutive days of low volume. This is interesting because the market's gone on to make a new all-time high and tried to move higher after starting to move lower and finding support at the 76%. The market's gapped higher, driven higher, and the same on Monday. We've got the market sideways there, and again the volume is low. So we've got a situation here where the market is moving up on fresh air at the moment. A very interesting picture, as if they're trying to bring it back up before it ends up moving south. And then finally in the implied volatility 9.5, and again you can see that in the chart. And that's really all there is to report. There's a nice bit of momentum at the moment. We had a situation yesterday where the markets just traded to the upside in the pre-market session. We'll just have a quick look at this. Just get rid of the news, drag this over. You can see there from 8 AM yesterday how the market just kept moving up all the way up to a new all-time high. But as soon as the main session opened, you can see how the market was just sold into, and then it was brought back. Fascinating picture there, and considering the market moved up on no news as well. So that's it for this morning. I'll report in later if there's something to report in on. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.